Yeah, well, this is Murali. Today we are going to discuss about MS.NET. Before concentrating learning MS.NET, it is better you just try to concentrate what exactly the use of MS.NET. MS in the sense Microsoft, NET means Network Enabled Technologies. Here MS is a corporation name. Of course, I think you know that Microsoft introduced MS.NET technology simply. The reason we used to say that this is Microsoft.NET. NET in the sense Network Enabled Technologies, where this technology is used to develop different type of applications for different type of networks. Dot here is simply a separator between MS corporation name and the technology name is NET. There is no particular, or you can say that is there any so most of the people are asking me what is the exact meaning of dot. There is no exact meaning of the dot, only the intention is it is to separate two words. We cannot say that it is net. If it is net, it relates to some other meaning. The reason, so concentrate MS.NET is a technology. Then the use of this technology is to develop different applications. Means you can develop basic command oriented application. You can also develop a Windows based application. You can develop a web application. You can develop a distributed application. You can also develop a mobile based application. Console application in the sense it is only a command prompt application. Of course, .NET is capable to develop console applications. Windows application in the sense it's a desktop based application. It is limited to the system where the application is being installed. Web application is not limited to systems. Using internet you can access it across the globe. Distributed applications means these applications are going to distribute data from one location to another location, or you can simply say that from one application to another application. .NET application of course can send data to Java based application. It can receive data from Java based application. So meanwhile, see, there is some data distribution. That type of application is called distributed applications. We can develop distributed applications using certain services. Those are web services, WCF services, etc. We will concentrate all such topics in our regular sessions. And .NET is capable, of course, to develop mobile applications. Understand? Simply you can say that MS.NET, Microsoft Network Enabled Technologies. MS.NET is a technology which is used to develop applications from the basic command line to enterprise class applications such as Windows, web, distributed, mobile, etc. After concentrating the use of MS.NET, it's better you just try to concentrate what exactly the languages, what exactly the resources available in .NET technology to develop different type of applications. See, before stepping into .NET technology, it's mandatory to concentrate the useful things in .NET. Here, you just try to concentrate. So there is a language called C#. One more language is also available, VB.NET, and this is just about ASP.NET. These are the main resources of .NET technology. Here C#, VB.NET are said to be languages. These languages are individually used to develop basic command applications as well as Windows applications. You cannot directly develop a web application using these languages. You do remember this point. And after that we will concentrate a technology, the vital feature in .NET, the vital component in .NET is called ASP.NET, which is said to be a technology where this technology is used to develop web-based applications. In order to develop, of course, web application, there should be a logical functionality. In order to implement such logical functionalities, ASP depends on either C#.NET or it depends on VB.NET. You do remember this point. ASP depends on C#.NET or it depends on VB.NET. Okay, so that's what the basic use of ASP.NET technology. What I am saying that these are the languages. These are not only the languages in .NET. That's also one of the important point here. .NET supports so many languages like F sharp, J sharp, VC++, etc. But these are the frequently used languages in .NET technology, right? So C sharp or VB.NET, mostly we are concentrating C sharp.NET. Nowadays there is an of course people are crazy about C sharp.NET. Most of the people are now concentrating C sharp.NET. The reason we mostly concentrate C sharp.NET in our discussions. Apart from that, we also concentrate VB.NET. I explain things which are related to VB.NET, so everything in my regular website. Remember, ASP is a technology which is to develop web applications. In order to develop web application, so it should depend on a language like C sharp.NET or it may be VB.NET. Individually, there is no ASP.NET. If you want to develop a web application, first of all you have to learn a language. If you want to work with ASP.NET, so you must know at least C sharp.NET or VB.NET. It's enough learning either of these two languages. Okay, so this is the foremost requirement to step into .NET technology. Well, thank you, and you just try to visit my regular videos. I will continue discussion. There are so many features in .NET. You should have to focus each and every feature carefully before stepping into MS.NET. Okay, I will explain complete .NET in my videos. You no need to go to any institute to learn .NET technology. It's enough you just try to sit in front of your system, download video or visit video. So try to follow each and everything carefully here. Okay, thank you very much.